This is Kanna's vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is my second video and this is about fastly charging mobile without fast charger, and that will help you to improve battery life. You kindly watch all the blog in this video, charging techniques, software techniques, etc. to charge your phone. Here we have a lot of tips.
That is 17th. You note down this time and date. That is 17th April and it's 4:07 p.m. And the charging voltage is only 2%. It's in normal mode, using any power save mode or switching off mode. You please you can check it after 4 hours. While you are charging, you check the backside of the phone, and you check whether it is getting heated. In all the three methods, we see that the time is 8:15 and the charging percentage is 93%. The date is 17th April. I have charged this in the normal mode. You minimum switch off this location before charging, because switch on the location, it will drain the battery faster. Because got a minimum heated in this normal mode. Final time. Because about that two other modes of charging. Your mobile, this is the second category in which you can charge mobile you are using. It is the location is on. We have to switch off the location always. Going to this mobile settings, the power to some extent. Then in some models they used to give power saving mode. Some models they used to give super power saving mode. In the super power saving mode, everything is disabled except these two things to work. See that date and time. Then now the time is 12:42 morning, and today is Thursday, 18th April, and the charging level is 7%. I am charging it in super power save mode. We will look at how much time it takes to charge 80 to 90%. Now we can see the time is 3:21 morning, and today is 18th April, Thursday, and it has got charge 80%. The time is 3:21. I think I have started charge by 12:44, 12:45. It took 2.5 hours to get 80% of charge. That's why those who want to use a minimum apps like calling, messaging, you can just, and then you go for a power save mode, super power save mode. I used my phone continuously, so it has got drained. Time and the date, you note down that battery level is 4%. It will come down to 3%. And the today's date is 16th April. You please note down this. Now we are going to charge by switching off that phone, so that we can check how much time it is taking to getting charge. The level of the battery is 84%, similar to the previous one. The time is 6:46 and the date is same. Date and day is same. You can see I have started charging around 4:30 to 4:45. Now the time is 18:46. I mean 6:46. It took 2 hours only to get charge for 84% in the switch off mode. That those who want to quickly charge and they have to go over to any place can use this type of method. But the problem is that you cannot take the call, you cannot message. I think the battery won't get much heated because all the apps are switched off and the battery won't drain, and it will have a longer life. In this method, life will improve, charging time will reduce. To go out, but you have only 15 minutes time period, can charge in the switch off mode. We can just skip into other tips for charging. These are all Android to software based techniques.
Video, you have seen that the first charging method, the battery is charging slowly, but you can use all app will get message. You can do WhatsApp, will operate in background. All apps will operate in background while charging. Second method, power save mode, will charge quickly. can take call, read message, but app won't work in background. Have to disable power save mode in urgency for WhatsApp, etc. The third method, charging, is much quicker, which is 1/4 time of the original charging time. You won't receive call, see messages, have to forget your mobile for 15 minutes for fast charging phones and 1 hour for normal smartphones to reach maximum of 50% of the charging level. This session is purely my idea, which I have got it by experience while charging. You will be glad to see these ideas. This is purely non-software or non-Android app tricks to decrease charging time. The first tip is that change the cable often, once 6 months. The connection should not be loose. This will reduce charging time as inrush current is directly proportional to the cross area of the contact. So, if the connection is loose, the current value will be reduced. That's why the charging time will increase. The second tip is that not only that charging cable, but also the plug point or plug should not be loose. Both will affect charging. Change and buy original charger, not to use other mobile charger. Charging current and optimizing technique is variable, so buy original charger of that company. In this concept, the optimal power supply is important for charging. The voltage should not decrease because the charging voltage decreases, which will further reduces the charging current, further increases the charging time. Use UPS based charging so that the voltage will be maintained, power will be maintained. The second thing is that do not use a switch point which has a lot of switch for light, fan, fridge, other power appliances. Charge in a separate switch box where load is zero other than the mobile load. Voltage will dip even for a tube light, even for a fan. The charging time will increase. If you are using a mixie grinder or a motor near to the switch, then it will take long time to get charged. This is the idea I have got it when I charge it in a different rooms, different places. You, if possible, you choose a different room where there is no home appliances, no fans, no tube lights. You are using. You charge it in a separate dark room. See here, the grip is good. The grip is good. This way, the grip is medium. The grip of the charging switch and the charger should be more so that the whole current will be transferred to that mobile. And you have to use a correct charger. You should not, that's why one phone charger should not be used for the other. Secondly, the plug point. See here, the switch is shaking. It should not shake, and it is poorly fixed. If you pull, it should not easily come out. It should be tight. Here you see, this is for fan. This is for one light. This is for another light. And this is for the charging. If you switch on this light and this fan and you charge, the current value coming to that mobile will reduce. If you switch off all the item and you are charging, then the current value will increase. Charging time will decrease. This is the second tip I am giving. You can charge in a separate switch box also where you are not using anything like light, fan, etc. Practically, I have shown you the three charging modes. Choose your mode. This is final conclusion of choosing your mode. In the normal mode, you can attend the calls, take the mobile takes longer time to get charged. But I have faced some overheating issues while charging in the normal mode. That is because apps are working and it draws more current. That's why heating issues. It took around 4 hours to charge to up to 80%. The second mode is that power save mode. Can choose important apps to work. It took lesser time to get charged. I have not seen any heating issues. I have checked the back side of the phone. I have not faced any heating issues in this mode. It took only 2 hours 30 minutes to get charged. That is the difference. The third mode is switch off mode. This mode is for those who want to battery little earlier. It will reach 50% within 1 hour. Yes, you have to forget your phone for 2 hours. I have not faced any heat issues. This took only 2 hours. That is only one half of the time it took to charge in the normal mode. Conclusion: nobody have given this type of tips. Choose any method based on criteria like fast charging, app usage like messaging, WhatsApp use, YouTube videos like that, and battery heating. If battery gets heated, you use power save mode. Any new techniques, new scientific and new day-to-day usage ideas in future videos also. I think you have a lot of small techniques I have given. Please kindly like, share this video and subscribe to my new technical channel.